Let's go through the process of checking in a repair. Click on the New Repair action on the navigator to open the repairs form to a new record. Each repair must be assigned to a registered customer. Use the Assign Customer field to find the customer. If the customer is not registered yet, click the Register Customer button, then enter the customer's name and phone number, as well as email address if available. Make sure the correct receipt date is entered. Then, give a short title for the repair. This is needed to identify the repair on the point of sale Quick Start list. Select the item type from the drop-down list. Next, select the make from the drop-down list. Select Other Make if the item's make is not listed. Then select Model from the third drop-down list. This list will only show models for the selected make. Select Other Model if the item's model is not listed. Then, enter the serial number of the machine being repaired, if available. If the machine is under warranty, check the warranty box and enter the warranty end date. Enter a more complete description of the repair work to be performed. If there are known issues with the machine, describe them in detail. For normal maintenance work, enter enough information for the technician to know exactly what work is to be performed. Click the Accessories button to open the list of standard parts that the customer is leaving with the machine. Check all the accessories being left. If an accessory being left is not on the list, you can type it in the Additional Items field. Click Apply to save your selections. If you know the parts or labor estimates, enter them in the Estimates fields. Select the date the repair is expected to be finished in the Promise Date field. The name of the logged-in user will appear in the Received By list. Set the status to Draft if more information is needed, or one of the other statuses if all the information is entered. Set the Progress status to Waiting for Info or Checked In. Finally, click the Save button to complete the check-in process. The Dragonfly Document Builder can be used to create printable receipts or invoices for the customer and labels for the received items. To print one of these documents, select it from the Item to Print drop-down, then click the Print Item button.